Hey, welcome to the channel. I'm Arturo, and this is the second part of this series where I show you everything regarding Microsoft Teams from very basic to very advanced. So if you're interested in this kind of content, subscribe to the channel. In this video, we're going to be covering what is announcements, where it's located, how to access it, how to create these announcements and modify it to look nice, very pretty. And also at the end of this video, I'm going to be giving you guys one extra tip and trick to make the most of this experience. So with that said, let's get into my computer and let's see what you can do with Microsoft Teams. Come on. That would be nice to have this in advance. But okay, so what is an announcement? An announcement is a piece of text that you send to your teammates in a very special occasion, let's say that. So for example, if it's urgent or if you want to emphasize something that is very important. So for example, what we're going to send here is an announcement of an upcoming meeting that is very important and I want all my team members to attend. So that's the special case where you would send your announcement. For example, for teachers, it would be an upcoming meeting for the parents. Hey, I want kids, tell all your parents to attend this meeting. For a company, it would be what I said before, right? So this is the kind of cases that you would use an announcement. So to create an announcement, you need to go to a team. For example, I have two teams created here. I'm going to go to software engineers, and then I'm going to go to general. So I'm going to create the announcement in generals. So where you would find this kind of announcement would be in new conversation. Now, let me resize this so you guys can see it better. So when you're in a new conversation, if you send this kind of text message, for example, hello team, I need you to attend to XYZ. Of course, that's going to be lost because not everyone is going to be able to see that. They're busy or whatever X reason. So what you want to do is go to new conversation, and then here on this tab, you're going to click it, and it's going to unfold a couple of options for you to customize your text, etc. After that, you're going to click on new conversation, and then you're going to click on announcement. Now, this announcement, we're not done yet. This announcement is the headline, and then we're going to make it pretty so your team members can actually see this, because if you simply just do this, they're not going to see it either way, right? So we want to make it stand out. So for example, I'm going to put here 10 8 p.m. meeting, or actually I'm going to put here remember to attend, and then here in the subhead we can put meeting is going to be online, and then here we can put blah blah blah, right? So the way you can make this stand out is first putting a background to the headline. So click here on this tab, and then we're going to put this in red because this is very important and we want to make this stand out, right? So put this in red, and then we're going to make this a little prettier, this blah blah. So we're going to say, guys, this is very important. I expect all of you to attend, right? And then you're gonna make this in yellow, and I'm pretty sure that's gonna be noticeable by everyone. So as you can see here, this is an announcement and it's very different from the previous messages. Now I'm gonna give you one more tip. Actually, I'm going to give you two more tips. So if people start typing here, this announcement is going to get lost. It's going to be buried in the inbox of people. So what you want to do is click in here, the three dots, and then you're going to pin it. All right, guys, tip number 2. So let's say, for example, that you want to make this super important and you want to emphasize it. So the way you would do that is the following. So go here to the announcement that we created on the three dots, and then you click on edit, right? And then you're going to click this icon here, and this is going to mark this as important. And it's very important that you mark this if the announcement is actually important, right? So you want to have this here so people can actually see it. Now, third tip. So if right now we're posting this in one channel specifically, right? But what if you want to post this in multiple channels? So at the same time, right? You want to post it to the whole team. So you will click here on post in multiple channels, and then select channels. And of course, you can click all the channels that you want. And all of them would have that announcement. Also, if you want to allow specific people to reply, you can click here, everyone can reply, or you can simply say you and the moderators of those channels are the ones that are allowed only to reply. And then simply save it. That is all. Very simple. You click here on the check mark, and that would save it. Now only you and the moderators of these specific channels that were announced have access to reply to this. All right, I hope you found this useful. If you did, please give this video a like and subscribe to the channel if you like to see more content like this. I'm going to be posting a lot more content, more interesting than this in the next video, more advanced. So if you want to build up your Microsoft Teams skill with me, just subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. See you soon. Ciao.